I'm trapped here day after endless day with my one maniacal nemesis.
4 complaints this week. 4.
This is the period when you take a period and put
Put that donut hole away or I'm gonna shove it up your...
You two are the worst part of my job.
We're going to be hiring a managing director who will oversee each department. The job is mine, Shortcake.
If you get the job, I'll resign, just like you will if I do.
But I'm incapable of giving you that pleasure.
Well, it's not the first time you've said that to a woman, is it?
Are you and he, like, there's a vibe there? No.
I hate him with a passion.
Son of a...
Wowzers, what's the occasion?
Psychological warfare.
I wonder what it's like to use raw animal magnetism as a weapon.
I had some weird dreams last night. I was in bed, naked.
I have a theory.
What are we doing? This game that we play every day.
Hating someone feels disturbingly like falling in love with them.
Let's play a different game. A starting over game.
Why?
I don't want to be some experiment before you settle down.
We are competing for the same job. It is impossible to trust each other.
I'm in this. You can trust that.
I told you she'd back off if you let her think that she could pet the pony.
I don't need any help beating her.
You would just do whatever it takes to win. Whatever this is, I don't want to do it anymore. I don't understand you. I thought you hated me.
Yep. So, what game should we play now?
Lucy, when you first met Josh, what did you think?
I thought he was cold and freakishly uptight.
I thought Lucy was a spineless kiss ass.
It was hate at first sight.